Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essential hardware and power. Make sure the excavator has the GPS-ready control box and antenna mounted, the battery reads above 5 volts, and the antenna has an unobstructed sky view. Power the machine and then the controller, boot the GNSS receiver, and allow a full cold or hot start as required. Once done, load the project file or site plan into the machine control, and check the epoch time and coordinate datum so your baseline is correct. Now you focus on precision. First, get a clean satellite solution, aim for 6 to 8 satellites with a PDOP under 3.0, and ensure the receiver attains fixed or RTK status. Next, set the project datum, zone, and enter exact antenna height. This ties GNSS coordinates to the machine. Then run the machine calibration routine. Calibrate boom geometry, stick and bucket offsets, and any tool adapter. These calibrations translate GPS signals into accurate bucket position on the job. You can now operate with confidence. Use the on-screen grade lines and the system's lift/cut guidance to follow design surfaces. Make small test cuts and verify with a handheld receiver or total station. Constantly monitor RTK or correction status, signal strength, and any offset or warning flags so you catch drift early. If accuracy degrades, first reinitialize the receiver and re-enter antenna height, then check base corrections. If unresolved, switch to the system's backup guidance mode and resume safe manual control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.